In this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle that circumscribes the triangle having vertices given by -2, 3, 5, 2, and 6, -1. Now let us begin. We'll first suppose that the general equation of a circle is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. And this circle passes through the points A, B, and C, such that each points are going to satisfy the equation of a circle. And using that information, we can find out the value of the constant G, F, and C. So let us begin. Now we'll start with point A, -2, 3. Now since this circle passes through this point, we can say that this point is going to satisfy equation number 1, meaning we can replace the value of x with -2 and the value of y with +3 and rewrite the equation to get -4g plus 6f plus c equals to -13. Now we're going to label this as equation number 2. Next, we're going to consider the point B with coordinate 5, 2. So we will substitute the value of x with 5 and y with 2 in equation number 1, and we can rewrite the terms to get 10g plus 4f plus c, and that's going to be equals to -29. So let this be equation number 3. And then finally, the circle also passes through point C, 6, -1. So it's going to satisfy the equation of the circle, and we get 12g minus 2f plus c. So that will be equals to -37. We're going to call it equation number 4. So in order to find out the value G, F, and C, so we'll have to solve 2, 3, and 4. Fine. So let's do it step by step. First, we're going to take equation number 2, and from it, we're going to subtract equation number 3. So that's going to give us, so we have -4g minus 10g, so that's -14g. Then we have plus 6f minus 4f, so that's +2f. Plus c minus c cancels out, and we now have -13 minus of -29, so that means we have -13 plus 29, so that will be +16. We're going to label this as equation number 5. Next, we take equation number 3, and from it, let's subtract equation number 4. And now we get 10g minus 12g, so that's -2g. We have 4f minus of -2f, so we get +6f. The c and -c cancels out, that will be equals to -29 minus of -37, so that means we have -29 plus 37, so that will be 8. So let's call it equation number 6. So now in 5 and 6, we can see that it has no terms containing c, and we have now two linear equations with only two parameters g and f. So let's solve 5 and 6 to find out the value of g and f. So what we'll do, we'll take equation number 5 and multiply throughout with 3. Let's do -3. So this will become 42g minus 6f minus 40 equals to -48. And then we'll keep equation number 6 as it is. So that's going to be -2g plus 6f equals to +8. Fine. So solving this, we now get, so what we'll do, we're going to add the two equations. So adding the two equations, we have 42g minus 2g, so that's 40g. -6f and +6x cancels out. Then we have -48 plus 8, so that's -40. So solving for g, we get the g value as -1. Now, we will substitute g equals to -1 either in equation 5 or 6 to obtain the value of f. So let's pick up equation number 6. So we get -2g. So g value is -1 plus 6f equals to 8. So we have 2 plus 6f equals to 8. So solving for f, we get the value equals to 1. Now we have the value of g, we have the value of f. Now we need to find out the value of c. So let's use equation number 4. So here we will replace the value of g with -1 minus 2 times f. So f will be replaced with +1 plus c equals to -37. So we get -12 minus 2 plus c equals to -37. So c will be equals to, so -12 minus 2 will be -14. So we have 14 minus 37. So C value will be equals to negative 23. So now that we have the value of G, F and C, we can substitute it back in equation number 1 to get the equation of a circle. So equation number 1 now gives us x squared plus y squared plus 2gx, so g is negative 1, plus 2 times fy, f is positive 1, plus c, so c value is negative 23. So this becomes equals to 0, and simplifying this we get the final equation x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 2y minus 23 equals to 0, and this is going to be the equation of a required circle.